Personal history, I think it's fair to say that since the end of World War II and increasingly in the most recent decades, we have managed to create the world's first truly global empire. And it's the first empire that's been created primarily without the military. It's been created by economic hitmen, by people like what I once was. And we work different ways, economic hitmen, but perhaps the most common is that we will identify a third world country that has resources our corporations covet, like oil, and then arrange a huge loan to that country from the World Bank or one of its sisters. But the money never goes to the country. Instead, it goes to operations to build infrastructure projects, power plants, highways, parks, things that benefit a few very rich people in that country, as well as their own corporations, but don't help the majority of the people who are too poor to buy electricity, don't have the skills to get jobs in industrial parks, don't own cars to drive on the highways, and yet those very people, the whole country is left holding a huge debt so that it can't pay for education and social services and health care for its people. In fact, the debt is so huge by intent that at some point we economic hitmen go back and say, listen, you owe us a lot of money. You can't repay your debts, so sell your oil real cheap to our oil companies without regard to the environment. Vote with us on the next critical United Nations vote. Send troops in support of ours to some place in the world like Iraq. And in that way, we've created this empire. On the few times when we economic hitmen fail, as I talk about in the books, as I failed in Ecuador with Jaime Roldos and in Panama with Omar Torrijos, then the jackals go in. And these are men, maybe a few women, who overthrow governments or assassinate their leaders. So if I'm unable to bring them around, if the economic hitman is unable to bring them around through legal means, what we do is we use legal means through the World Bank, but it's basically corrupting the leaders of these countries. If we're unable to corrupt them, then the jackals go in and take care of them. So when I failed with Jaime Roldos in Ecuador and Omar Torrijos in Panama, the jackals assassinated them. And if the jackals fail, which is what happened in Iraq, both the economic hitmen and the jackals failed with Saddam Hussein, then, and only then, does the military go in. So this is the first empire in the history of the world that's been created primarily without the military. The military only is the last resort. And I think there's something extremely dangerous about this. It's not just that it's pathetic, it's not just that it goes against all of our most sacred documents. It's extremely dangerous because we claim to be a democracy. And a democracy is built on the assumption that the electorate is informed. And if the electorate doesn't realize what we're doing internationally, if the electorate doesn't understand the main basis of our foreign policy, which is what I've just described, then the electorate is not informed and therefore cannot vote intelligently. And therefore you even have to question whether we're truly a democracy.
Now, se mi atope nu popo. Mi atope nu popo ni o yobe economic hitman. Aya nyabe egbe unkeke ya fe ajoblasu habobo. Ele go mesi namde. Egbe unkeke ya fe ajoblasu fe habobo. Aya nya economic hitman. Efiabe akpasese fe nu hona. Ele go mesi namde akpasese fe nu hona. No kwaye mo ko le nu hola siwe. Ya ne gbebo makono ko na we ni wa wo pli we nyebe wa kwa pasese ahwela siwe elego mesinamde no nyebe o bona de le nwe vevieto ami le mile kukule Ghana ami yo le kukule Nigeria ami yo le kukule Libya no bobe ami ehia yiwere ni yo wona gbanyebe o dona mewe elego mesinamde o dona mewe wa bato aye moji nchu ore nchu iponu vaide e ya kpla me ma we wo do vai ele go me sinam de e ya kpla me ma we de wa wo do vai fifi la igbo me de mega le do kpla me we ta me o po secret de ya over de go ma de na de go me le fi no yo na de be secret de nu nye ma kpo be ono yo be secret apa ganto enye nu vo wo be secret nyu de o de na de go kaba vo wo fe wa wura de ya ono yo be secret ele go me sinam de good ta nchu ya de leke oponu koto gba aba ni yo wo na nyebe yo dona ame ododa government we president we je wa ba bribe we to aye modeji le podo me wa ba to Ghana be yo di be yo anamiga ale be wa anamiga wa na Ghana ega ipe onana ga onya aye mo no toto onana ga ple susu be e wo ile ga ho de mate wa hevo hadebe nuka hadebe sika coupe la siota hadebe amila siota hadebe boxat la siota tawa na oga subo ya no na oga de o menana gabe na ze ko wonu George na we aw o ma na oga be na cover jira mododo na wo du meto we aw wa ko ga cover wo industrial park we wa to plant we ya pede obe habobo ile eduo me alo country me de e ya pede obe habobo ya ko wona e ya ntobe things that will benefit only few people, only rich people. Ta hiya towode yimya be politician we plemi ape leader o le jajira alo oblo nu o le jajira o me buta me wede aw contract memele yire abagble nu le mianwu abagble nu ne dumetowo hu ho nya be president e ya che a benefit e ya ple e party mewe wa benefit time ayi de contract me je economic hitman de habobo de je eleta na president ezo je leta ne president ava petemaga to wan about mi atowe agbema ya economic hitman lewo number 1 yile economic hitman wo e ya nye America ko pe de Britain wo pletowe elego mi sinamde magbonya de me ebe ne yo ko e ma ko ba ya o medibe yo a holiday o medibe abe ijole Sierra Leone ncho medibe ya hogal aw be ima hogal 60 billion China to na de ncho be ima ho mi kom ya bo 1 billion hade ncho nya ni wa ba oplita mi atowe leka mi apa leader wele wo plemi especially mi apa peme leka mi apa leader wele wo plemi magwanya de ko de me ebe ne yo ko ega kole na loan sigbe ya yo pobo melele nu hoyin you are to more the siade nu wa ba bribe wa ba corrupt me apa leaders we nu ka ko corrupt na we ega e ya ta me no gbogbo be hia ka me nem nya po yo vokola mi sube mi aba gbe trovo nem nya po ka kere ple ko ka kere kola mi sube mi aba gbe vo mega bucho me khwa je wa ho bribe ta no nya bribe wela wa bribe wo ntontonto for example nye me nya ijode atamas GL Vatamas mejebo akufifula. That is a very good example. Be president le do le kwa chen mi atowe. O me po ambulance ya ko president Chole Flagstaff House ko ile 37 no. E ya glomele na we. Economic hitman pe do wo e ma. Ami mi le kukule Ghana fifula de. Nyate pe ma gbo na wo de ya nye video mi le wo na we fifula. Ami e ku pe de. Ta credit o ame yo le fma de. Obe yo me pa le vide le ke po apache yo me tun la pa apa de pe yo oje complain video la sinye ma te wa ko do da we fifila oje complain o because America twa college ami ya ta elo America ko army cover Ghana menye training de ke o. It is Ghana that's supposed to call for collaboration. It is not America that need to call for Ghana's collaboration. We the poor, we have to call for collaboration. It is not America that have to come and give us document. But then me sign, let me war military collaboration. It doesn't make sense. But somebody sat in her office and signed that document. Does it make sense? Are we the people requesting for the army? Eya blomele na we. O jira mi waga, o gale mi ajira me le shobe. Happy MPP ajo na nyemenya gbogbo yin. Wa jira mi show corner Britain to we. Esube de kole vavale jojoa. Nyate pia de kai ma gbole le fi. Ne o bribe we. Ya o pobe ami o me le bribe hoyin. E ke ma o do military ko do da. Sigbe njo le gbogbo e ma lo menye le gbo. Do to we pliwo de wa we le gbo. Ebe de. Ne you bribe o you koga cover o me hoga. You ko corruption cover o me ho corruption. You pobe do plipa be ya na duo me ne nyore. Ekema you are do military kododa. You are do military kododa military avade ava kakanume. Ya unyale you do na military kododa for example e Côte d'Ivoire ta odibe you are play ami. Ami mi dibe mi akwa fi Côte d'Ivoire ta odibe you are denu me le Ghana re. That is one of example. Ekema it will start riot. To akpade some way somehow. Yan chole gbogbo. First time in history. 21st century ya glomele na we ele go mesinama mi kanu melo ya tamele glo magana bloke na mi traditionalist we enye Kristo to menye me die solime vo me gale gbogbo bele to gbinyo pe enu ode yen ma dasile ohun ele ya ova domi obe mi ape ma ode ma so ewo mi vo mi vale o you mi va subo yobo ma ya yobo ma we de ya gachi na we no vale mi atogbo ko. Does it make sense? Halangbalie. Me tobe Kristo to menye vo mi atogbi konu de mega dasile won. Ya ta mele do da na mi atowe. Bede e bia ode mi na mi cho. Mi dro mi ape unse we de ko ide mi ape politics we. Mi ape politician no tasi swearing play Bible play Quran e pa. What swear because it is a cheat. They need to sweat in our traditional religion. If not, the constitution need to be amended. Mark Bleko dade ayame. Ne say they won't do. But they only me am a botafu. Ne you vote for Africa, they never swear le miabo no gopo. Never swear le miabo boko no bo. Ne dafu de ne no ne chotalenu. Ele gome sinama. PLO Lumumba. Lumumba le Kenya. Ele globally. If this one will cause the death of some people, or it is already causing the death of some people, please, I want to see more of this death. No, nyebe mi aklom ya be politician me. Mi aklom ya ba gba me. Ya nyebe mi adro mi abo no gopo ko mi abo politician wa swear. Ya nyebe ame wa me wo akule politics dey. Mi dibe mi akpo ame 100 noku na mi avole do me. Na yovo wa vakode no va swele mi abo no gopo. Why? Ya o ko Biblia ko va na mi ya mi ba le swele na Biblia ya le mi afi. Maga black blede me. Bishop play pastor de wede. Obo vu mere nyonu me vole po mo, asha me vole po mo. Ya mi to mi le ma ujo. Vo mi nya tepe mi akpo no gopo. Bo mi atowe na me fon re. One of me wuda esube US Army o cover be menye me out ko army cover ma chinya tepe na we. There is no benefit. They came purposely because of the oil. They came purposely because of the oil. So my brother and my sister, na man no anyipo de agbiati economy one no ami eku ame yo le takradi javi favor. O video la sinye documentaries wo dovo. The people in Takradi are already crying. E ka nyebe aba ami aba to me ave e bia wo le beto enu ya gbeji le fuma amu gbeji. Mi atowe. Mi anogana me one no ami eku ma pota ne o. Agbeyi America play Britain to no plimiema. Aha. Agbede me bia keke fe jogbenyo na we. Mega nglobo, ne nglobo kweto. Jagbane na subscribe. Esego me namde. Aha. Na nyade la siwede. Ngledete. Miabo fia wede. Miabo du mega wede. Me de kuku na mi. Kuku ya me de na mi. bede mi na mi cho mi dro mi abo konu kwa ide Flagstaff House mi dro mi abo konu kwa ide government bo no institute we will no more swear in Bible and Quran we will swear in Ogopotu ya glomele ne ya pe kwa wa me ode ne wa me 100 fa na mi abe politician no vo ne mi abo dumere ne nyo no ma kana mi ede ne waso amesi